Have you ever wondered why, despite all our knowledge and thinking, we still grapple with fear, loneliness, conflict, and hatred? Why, even with the most advanced tools of the mind, peace and connection often elude us? Jiddu Krishnamurti, a profound thinker of our time, offers a remarkable perspective. The root of our deepest struggles lies not in the lack of solutions but in the nature of our thinking itself. To truly transform, he suggests, we must go beyond thought into awareness, observation, and direct understanding. Today, we explore these timeless teachings and their power to bring clarity, peace, and freedom to our lives. When we stop running from our discomfort, when we observe it without judgment, we discover that it is rooted in the conditioning of our past and the incessant chatter of thought. By transcending this conditioning, we open ourselves to the richness of the present moment, a place where loneliness dissolves into connection, suffering transforms into growth, and boredom becomes a gateway to creativity. When we try to solve deeper issues, fear, conflict, or existential questions through thinking, we only perpetuate division and struggle. True freedom, he says, lies in observing life without the filters of memory or thought. In that stillness, a new kind of understanding emerges, one that is free, unconditioned, and whole. Often, we think of discipline as something imposed, rules, self-control, or authority telling us what to do. But Krishnamurti sees discipline differently. He calls it a natural order, a harmony with life that arises from understanding and awareness. True discipline, he says, is effortless. It flows from freedom to observe life's patterns, to understand consequences, and to act intelligently. When we live with awareness, discipline is not a struggle. It is a natural expression of clarity and connection with life. Meditation is not the control of thought, Krishnamurti says, but the understanding of thought. True meditation is not an escape but a journey into self-awareness. It reveals how our conditioning, the beliefs and experiences that shape us, controls our actions and perceptions. In this space of stillness, beyond thought, we find freedom. We find clarity. And we connect to something profound, a peace that is not dependent on circumstance, and a love that is not tied to desire or attachment. What is love? For many, it is tied to attachment, desire, or expectation. But Krishnamurti invites us to see love as something entirely different, not a product of thought or emotion, but a state of being. True love, he says, arises only when the mind is free from fear, ego, and conditioning. It is not possessive or conditional, it is compassionate, universal, and deeply connected to life itself. In this love, there is no division, only understanding, harmony, and joy. Krishnamurti's teachings remind us of a simple but profound truth: transformation does not come through effort, discipline, or external systems. It begins with awareness. When we observe our thoughts, emotions, and actions without judgment, we begin to see the patterns that hold us back. Fear dissolves. Hate loses its grip. Conflict transforms into understanding. This is not a gradual process, it is immediate. In the very act of seeing, we are free. And in that freedom, we discover a love that is unconditional, a peace that is unshakable, and a life that is full of meaning. The journey begins now, not tomorrow or someday in the future. So, let us live with awareness. Let us embrace the present moment. And let us discover the profound beauty of life as it truly is.